How do you feel about this trip?
Oh, the trek was actually awesome. I didn't expect the climb to be so difficult, but it was pretty good. I mean, the view and the snowfall was the main thing that was a wish that came true. So it was really good trek, and it was awesome to be a part of it.
It was unexpected. I haven't experienced something like this before.
An exciting experience. I hadn't been to a trek before, so this was really a first time experience and a good experience. And we also witnessed snowfall. That was really beautiful. So yeah, overall a good experience.
Climbing the summit was pretty much difficult, but I enjoyed it thoroughly. So looking forward for Rishikesh river rafting.
I can hear your voice. I can hear your voice. I can hear your voice.
No,
Huh?
this hand, left hand.
That is occupied.
Okay, this is better. Hey, nicha slide.
What is this one? Stick छोटा. अरे रोड तो ये वाला तो रिकॉर्ड भी हो गया.
You're not adding that to the vlog, okay?
Who knows?
Don't.
I might just add it to the intro. She looks like the character from that movie Black. आज बर्फ पड़ने वाली है. Almost. So now we're about to leave for Sankri hotel. Last day of the trekking and photography session going on. Hargaon Campsite. जाटा का छोरा Chata ka chora, chata ka chora, chata ka chora. सुना दे, सुना दे, सुना दे. And we have come back to our lovely hotel at Sankri. We'll be relaxing for the rest of the day, and tomorrow morning we'll head towards Rishikesh for rafting. Yes, this is where we're ending the trek vlog. See you on the other side. So here we are at Rishikesh, all set for our 26-kilometer river run on the raft. The water is slightly muddy because of the unfortunate Chamoli incident, but it's gonna be fun nonetheless. So guys, are you excited?
Yes!
Cool.
Down, right? So your leg goes down, head up, look the sky and enjoy the moment. You don't need to make your position as a belly side, you know. Forward paddle! So enjoy the roller coaster, be smile, and if someone fell down, don't worry.
Be happy. Yeah.
Stop!
Forward! 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 I think the first huge rapid she saw, she stopped paddling only.
This is not fair, huh?
No, if we are somewhere on top, we have to paddle. There's no water to paddle. We can't do it. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, yes, we did it!
Good job guys, good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you guys ready?
Chal Arman.
है कोई एक तारा जैसा कोई एक तारा एक तारा दिल में बोले कोई एक तारा तू जैसा
Come on. Very good, very good. Can you go a few strokes forward? Okay, stop.
So the journey of the Kedarkantha trek and then the rafting comes to a beautiful end. We'll be having the lunch now and then heading on our way towards Delhi. This lot from Mysore was a bundle of energy. We had the enthusiasm and the zeal, and that is all needed to climb mountains and go for river runs and all the other adventures. So this is me signing off. See you next time.